Hello and welcome to today's presentation on home remedies for head lice in children. Head lice are small, wingless insects that infest the hair and scalp, feeding on small amounts of blood from the scalp. While they are not known to transmit diseases, head lice can be a source of irritation and embarrassment for children. If your child has head lice, you may be looking for safe and effective home remedies to get rid of them. In this video, we will discuss 5 home remedies that may help. Comb through the hair with a fine-toothed comb. Start at the roots of the hair and comb through to the ends, using a flashlight to help you see the lice and eggs. You may need to repeat this process several times over the course of a few days to ensure that you have removed all of the lice and eggs. Use essential oils. Some essential oils, such as tea tree oil and peppermint oil, have insecticidal properties and may help kill head lice. You can apply the oils directly to the scalp and hair, or you can mix them with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, and apply the mixture to the hair. Be sure to follow the instructions on the product label, as essential oils can be irritating to the skin if used in too high of a concentration. Apply vinegar to the hair. Vinegar can help kill lice by disrupting their ability to regulate their body pH. To use vinegar as a home remedy, mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle and apply the mixture to the hair. Be sure to cover the entire scalp and hair. Let the mixture sit for at least 30 minutes, then rinse it out and comb through the hair with the fine-toothed comb to remove any remaining lice and eggs. Use mayonnaise or olive oil. Mayonnaise and olive oil can help suffocate lice by coating their bodies and clogging their breathing holes. To use either of these home remedies, apply a generous amount of mayonnaise or olive oil to the hair, making sure to cover the entire scalp and hair. Wrap the hair in a shower cap or plastic bag, and let the treatment sit for at least 4 hours. Overnight is best. Rinse the hair with warm water and comb through it with a fine-toothed comb to remove any remaining lice and eggs. Try over-the-counter lice treatments. If home remedies do not work, or if you prefer a more convenient option, you can try an over-the-counter lice treatment. These products are available in the form of shampoos, creams, and mousses, and they typically contain insecticides that kill lice. Follow the instructions on the product label carefully, as some of these products may not be suitable for children under a certain age or for people with certain health conditions. It is important to note that head lice are highly contagious and can spread easily from one person to another through close contact or the sharing of personal items such as hats, combs, and brushes. To prevent the spread of head lice, it is important to treat all members of the household who have come into contact with the infected person, and to wash bedding, towels, and clothing in hot water to kill any remaining lice or eggs. In conclusion, head lice are a common problem among children, but they can be effectively treated with home remedies such as combing through the hair with a fine-toothed comb, using essential oils, applying vinegar to the hair, using mayonnaise or olive oil, or using over-the-counter